Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to add a header if you remove it wix.com. So guys, if you want to start creating your own website using Wix, you can get started with my link in the description. So now from here on the Wix dashboard guys, just simply go ahead and click on edit site over here. So now guys, let's say you accidentally remove your header like this one. So I'm just gonna go click on it and delete. Let's say it is gone. In order for you to get it back, just simply go ahead and click on this icon over here, global sections. So guys, just simply click on global sections, and from here you should be able to see the header default. So when you click on it, you should be able to see here the preview. So just simply click on add to page. And from here, guys, you should be able to recover it back into your site. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching. See ya.